Hello everybody and welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a giveaway for a book lover's journal, and I hope that you will stay and watch the video until the end. Weigh in, leave a like, comment, and a share. I would appreciate that, and thank you to all of my wonderful subscribers for giving me this opportunity to do this giveaway. Thank you and stay tuned. Hello everybody and welcome to Thursday's video. I hope all of you are doing just fine and fabulous. I am here. I am also on my first day of vacation. Yay! Here's what's going on. My finger's still sore. So let me tell you what I did, guys. We were working, and my husband and I were moving some plywood, and he was doing like a lever fulcrum thing on one side of it, and I wasn't paying attention, and it rolled all that plywood across my hand like that, but then pinned it between a wood pallet and it was awful. But anyhow, I'm well. I'm working. Can't take me away from crafting, right? So with all that excitement over with and done, I wanted to tell you that, yeah, I'm on vacation, and on my first day, I would like for us to look at this book club kit. This I got at the Dollar Tree. Pretty sure it was $1.25. And it comes with this little book. It's got these pages in it, right? And then it comes with it. Well, I'm just going to open it up and show you. You got 9 stickers. And I don't know about the stickers just yet, but why not? So let's dig in. And I thought, why not make a journal with this? A one signature journal. Or we make a regular journal. You know, we can make it wider. We can put more signatures in it, but we do it with the box. So you guys let me know who's in, who's not, and let's give that some thought. And then I thought, well, if we make the book club kit, and I'm going to go back and get another one just in case it turns out well. Maybe I'll get 2 or 3. And if this works, then why not do a giveaway? And then for those of you who pop in, like, comment, and hopefully subscribe, I'm going to open it. The only problem I have with on this giveaway will be that it has to be, in the United States, or you have to have a U.S. postal address. I don't care if you're a subscriber, but I hope, A, if you own a channel, that you'll share my videos. B, that you will hopefully subscribe. And C, what was C? Oh, I don't know. Oh, leave a thumbs up in the comment, please. So that's what I think we're going to do. I'm waiting on your weigh in on this. I will definitely have to sturdy it up. It's pretty flimsy. So let me know. Like I said, the only restrictions I will have on this will be that you're 18 years of age or older, and that you have a U.S. postal address, and the rest is, Good Samaritan stuff, that you will leave a comment, like, possibly subscribe, and at least if you own a channel, share my video. Okay? So let's get started. So you get these are like little tickets. You get 2 pages of 2 pages of 10. So you get 20 of these, and they're just little vote ballots. So you vote on the book you thought was the best. And so if you're a reader, this would be a great journal, I think. Then you get the bookmarks, and we'll make our own. I love these little library cards. We'll add these, but we'll make our own. And then you get the book. Now the book botany. I love this. It's really good paper. And so if we made it this same size, we wouldn't have to lose much. Or we could put these, we could use these for ephemera. We could put these in the signatures. Who knows? But I am going to go back and get a few more for the journal, just to build the journal. So let me know what you think, guys. If it's something that interests you, here's the prompts. We could use these recent reads. There's a lot of the recent reads. See? We could put library pockets in it. I'm pretty excited. Then you got your stars. You could color in your stars whether or not you liked it. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. All right, so if I get enough interest, that's what we're going to do. If you are interested, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If it's something that would interest you, I will put this on the shelf for now, and I will wait to hear from my audience. Let me know what you guys think, your honest opinion. Is this something you would do? Is this something you would like the chance to win? Maybe gift? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. If I get a lot of interest, I'll go on the Dollar Tree site and I'll buy a case of them. Who knows? Let's go, guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you for staying with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.